Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of loading a snapshot into a GoHighLevel sub-account. To get started, you need to be in the agency view or on the agency level. Navigate to Sub-Accounts and select the account where you intend to load the snapshot. Let's choose this one for our example. Look for the three dots, click on them, then select Manage Client. On the top right, you'll see the Actions button. Click on that and you'll find the option to load snapshot. Upon clicking Load Snapshot, a dialog box appears, asking you to choose the snapshot you want to load onto the sub-account. Let's pick this snapshot for our demonstration. You'll now be shown all the assets linked to this particular snapshot. If you want to copy all of them, you can simply select all and proceed. If you only want to load specific assets, you can skip the others. For instance, if you're just planning to load calendars, you can expand them by clicking on the plus sign and see all the calendars that are available. Choose the ones you want to load and skip the ones you don't. Next, the system will check for any conflicts. If the asset you're loading already exists in the sub-account, it will be flagged. If there's no conflict, you can go ahead. If there is, you have the option to override it. Once you've handled any conflicts, the data will start copying. You'll receive a notification once the process is complete. You can then switch to the sub-account to confirm if the calendar or the asset you loaded is in there. And that's it. That's how you load a snapshot into a GoHighLevel sub-account. If you need any further help with GoHighLevel, feel free to drop a comment below this video and I'll be glad to assist. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For more insightful videos like this, check out our GoHighLevel SaaS playlist. Looking forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.